here we again in the house. I'm doing now is cooking time with grilling and heavy cooking corn, boiling corn in the pot. So this is only I can do now for now because I'm busy to cooking and some putting before I putting the primer paint in the blue band, this band. I give you a tips, and after that we having I'm cooking, I will change the outlet cover. Okay, so we can go now inside or to take the other tools. Okay, so we are going now to finish these activities in the house. Okay. It's so hot. So hot now. So this is the project last night. A little bit light color. Even it's different color. A little bit dark and brighter. So as you can see now, we finished this area after cooking or having a cooking. How to make a drywall in this bumper. Okay, yesterday is about the we near in the wheelhouse area. See, okay, maybe now I'm cooking with corn. Okay, cooking corn and boiling spare ribs to save electricity power in the house. Okay, so as of now we can do this one by one for now. Okay, so I put it here. Some other paints that we can use in my project or cleaning to my van. See, paint, simply buttons, the color paint. See, okay, I can use this every day, so I will clean later the van or the entity. See, a different protectant long lasting. Okay, for bags is in outside. Okay, bags for the vehicle. Okay, so separate for the bags. Oh, it's boiling. It's the objective now in the house. I'm grilling my food for lunch. Okay, a little bit far on the bar, so only we need a heat only. Okay, so we are in the back of the house. So I prepared the important needs for our making, repairing our project purposes. We cannot mix our contents, so for now I want to show you after finishing or having a cooking a corn and how to install the other for the others need for the band. Okay. Okay guys, now is our content now how to dry sanding a bumper. So yesterday we finished this part in the wheelhouse. See, there's a light and a little bit dark color mixing. If you not too much notice, see the important. We finish this area. Okay, we finish this area. Flash. Okay, just flashing a little bit closer of the paint. Okay, so a little bit flashing, even not see, it's good. You cannot notice this even you looking direct. And nobody notice this unless you focus in this area. But if it far, is it good? See, no problem to me. I don't know to the others, and a little bit problem of the rush here. Okay, see, we fix that later. Okay, so we need to sandering again, a dry sandering, and then we put tips for the new beginners of painting, how to repair your own vehicle by body paint. Okay, so in the past few years, there's a rush here. I always fix this. See, I put it. There's a rush area. I put it a primer satin black, and then I'm patching the area of pillar. Then I put some sticky glue for the fiber. See, that's a number one tips for you. See, until now, no rush, no broken body parts because I put a fiberglass, a fiber a fiber here, this area, because there's a rush. And then so now I put pillar. After dry, we put again a primer color until the satin color. See, until now is good. Okay guys, let's wait. I prepared our stops. Okay guys, I found it because I buy a new one or a gray primer, but I see in my box there's an extra two primer. That's my mistake. I lost my $8 or more than almost $9 for this. This one I used it before, so it's very power this color, a little bit blue light color. So it's another mistake, but I can use. Just wait guys, so you can start taking the 100 sandpaper grit. Okay. wait guys. These are we need for the grid 100, number 100, grid 100 for using our bumper now. Okay. And we need rugs also before putting a primer in our bumper. As you can see now, we're going to rush. Okay. This is the perfect spot. Okay. This area is dry now. So as you can see, I have no clothes on the top because it's too hot now. A warm weather now. Okay. We fit the cover with the black bumper area. so hot now. It's like a summer. It's like a summer. This is a dry sanding process, okay? You can use the this is 40 or 30 grit. This is a 50 grit. With the process this is a dry sanding process. Okay. After the final is the 100 grit. You can use 40, 50, 60. So you need a rocks until flashing at this. Remove the pillar. A little bit looks good. That's it. You need to buy this holder. Holder for the sandpaper.